The black marlin is a large and highly migratory billfish that inhabits the Indian and Pacific Oceans. They prefer tropical and subtropical waters down to 330 feet deep. Their bodies are covered with small triangular scales. They travel through the open ocean looking for food. They often swim close to land masses, islands, and coral reefs. Black marlin are strong predators. They feed on fish like small tuna, along with cephalopods and crustaceans. Prey is usually swallowed head first. They often use their bill like a sword to slash at prey, stunning or killing the animal. They are fast swimmers. Black marlin can grow up to 15 feet long. They grow rapidly. Females are usually larger than males. Females can release millions of eggs. The larvae are pelagic. Black marlin are important commercial fish. They are marketed fresh, smoked, or frozen. The majority of the world's landings are as a byproduct species of tuna longline and purse seine fisheries. Due to their large size and fighting qualities, black marlin are also valued as prize game fish in recreational fisheries. For more marine facts, click the subscribe button.